Struggling to find the visibility overview in Semrush? Learn exactly where to click to access it in under 2 minutes. First, we'll navigate to the right folder. Then, click through to the overview. Finally, we'll enter your domain and review the data. Start by going to Semrush Folders. Then, click on Visibility Overview to access the tool. Review this part of the interface. Now, enter your domain into the provided field. Click on Get Started to proceed. Click on View Free Example to see a sample report. Finally, review the data presented to analyze your visibility. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.